Today I'm going to teach you how to configure signing settings in DocuSign eSignature. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize how your documents are signed and control the recipient experience to match your workflow needs. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your account information to access your DocuSign dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your document signing settings and configurations. After logging in, direct your attention to the top toolbar of your screen. Here you'll see several options available for managing your account. Click on Admin. This will take you to the Administrative Control panel where you can adjust various settings that affect how DocuSign operates for your organization. The Admin section is your central hub for customization and management. Once you're in the admin area, look over to the left sidebar. You'll notice a menu with different categories and options. From this menu, click on Signing Settings. This is where all the magic happens in terms of configuring how documents are signed and presented to your recipients. This section gives you control over the signing experience from start to finish. Now, let's focus on one of the key features. Navigate to the section labeled Enable Responsive Signing. You'll see a checkbox beside this option. Responsive signing ensures that your documents display properly across different devices and screen sizes, which is particularly helpful when recipients are signing on mobile phones or tablets. If you want this feature enabled, simply check the box. If you prefer to disable it, leave the box unchecked. Next, scroll down to the Recipient section. Here you'll find several options that control how recipients interact with your documents. Take a moment to review each option carefully. If you agree with a particular setting and want it active, check the box beside it. Conversely, if you want to disable a setting, simply uncheck the box. This flexibility allows you to tailor the signing process to your specific needs. Continue scrolling down through the page. You'll notice there's a variety of additional options available for you to configure. Each of these settings plays a role in how your signing process works, so take your time to review them and adjust according to your preferences. Don't rush through this step, as these configurations will affect all future signing sessions. Once you've made all your desired changes and you're satisfied with your configuration, look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Click it to finalize and apply all your settings. Your new signing configuration is now active and ready to use for all your DocuSign documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.